Okay, so good morning, guys. My vehicle was not starting today, and I purchased this Everstart Max from Walmart, which is about usually it go for 135 plus tax. So let's say around $150. Okay, so these are the specs for the it has a 120 psi compressor, power inverter for 400 watt. Most of the vehicle it can start, mini truck, van, bike, car, and also you can charge those devices as well. It has a fast USB port. Also, let me see the other side. See? And also it comes with the Jumpstart, starts car, trucks without need of any other vehicle. Air compressor, heavy duty, brass tipped, short fit compressor, nozzle securely connect to the stream. Okay, in here. Okay. So same thing on the other side too, and let me review with the actual device. This is how it looks. It's quite heavy. It's very heavy, almost let's say around 5 to 7 kg. And that's the booklet that comes with it. Booklet has the charger, one nozzle, and booklet. So charger we connect here like this. 2 USB ports. First two USB ports, and let me turn it on. That's the air part. Turns off. That's the light at the front here. We have to press twice. That's the light. Okay, so 2 USBs, we have to connect that here, and when we want to put on the if we want to start the vehicle, we have to turn it on, and that's how we start the vehicle. So which I already demonstrate, and I already turn on my vehicle. It was sitting there from past 2 months, and we did not use that vehicle, and it was not turning on. In one go it just started, and boom. So it has the 3.1 USB power. You can use fast any item, air compressor, 400 watt, power inverter, and 1200 ampere peak, just jump start. So it's pretty much simple, and I recommend. And I had the smaller version for this machine, for this inverter, and it did not work for me. I have to go and return it. I still have the box. Let me show you. So okay, so I have this one 700 peak. Before I was having this one. So pretty much that's it for today. And just if you have any questions, just comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.